In this video, I want to show you how to install Rubi mining app and start mining on your mobile phone. Open your Play Store and search for Rubi. Here is Rubi. Click on Install. After installation, click on Open to launch the app. Click on Allow. Click on Register to open a new account. Click on Register with Google. Choose your Google account. Click on Continue. Fill all the fields on this page to complete your registration. Here use my referral code GOJ21. Click on Register. You have successfully registered. Click on Sign In. Here enter your details and sign in. Click on this icon to start mining. Click on any of these available mines. Click on Agree. Here we are. Your mining session has started. This is how to install Rubi mining app on your mobile phone. Thank you for watching.